Greetings, salutations. Pen mail day today. A very important pen mail. We're talking vintage. Let's get started with the first envelope. And let me get me a little mat here. Put that down right there. This is a Waterman vintage, and it's got gray stripes with a 14K gold nib, with a lever for the sack filler, and I will be doing a review on this pen soon. Vintage. I don't do a whole lot of vintage, but that doesn't mean I do not like vintage. I love vintage. I'm just like certain models. Okay? So, and Waterman is one of my favorites. That's one. Okay. Let's open this little jewel up. Right. They didn't come in the original pen cases. So, that was a bummer, but still, at least I got the pen. So, now this one is going to be the Parker 45 Burgundy with a 14K gold fine nib. Beautiful pen. Look at that. It's just gorgeous pen. Parker Waterman rocks. Love these pens.
Am I thinking, is that Parker a little larger than some of the others?
No. I'll have to do a comparison later. It might be a little bit, it might be a little bit longer, but I have another Parker 45 that I believe it's the same length as that. But I can put these again. You can see how long the Parker 45 is to the Waterman here, though. But just look at the beautiful gray stripes in this pen. And it does have the markings on here, so. But these are for upcoming reviews. Now, today's a special day for me. Why is that? Well, have you ever sold a pen because you needed to buy other pens, right? So you had to figure out what pen you're going to have to sell. And then after you sell it, later it hits you, oh, my pen. Well, I'll just put this here. Delta is back home. So, and this is one of Troy's cards. Troy bought this pen from me a while back. Wow, thank you, Troy. Very cool. Send a little nib. That's cool. Thank you, Troy. And thank you for taking care of my baby for me. Here it is. Beautiful Delta with a broad gold nib. Well, today's been a very nice mail day, I would say. So, with that said, hey, thank you for watching, my friends. Until my next video, Stay safe, God bless, and remember, please don't text and drive. Bye-bye.